shout, you better not cry, you better not pout, I'm telling you why. Santa Claus is coming to town. He's making a list, checking it twice, gonna find out who's naughty or nice. Santa Claus is coming to town. Sing it, dude.
No.
What?
No.
Oh, no. You're not gonna take what I say, you make me look like I can't believe this.
Okay, listen. Hey, everybody, be quiet. Nancy, let me try and tell. There's some sounds on the roof, Bat. Listen. You think it's Santa Claus?
Okay, boys, this looks like the place. Now, Rudolph, give me my signal when it's time to go. Now, where's the chip? I'll just jump.
Looney Bird, come quick. I think it's Santa Claus.
Where's my microphone?
Ladies and gentlemen, I can't believe this is happening. He's here. He's already here. Looney Bird, come out here. What are you doing in your barrel, you crazy bird? Come out here. Everybody, I want everybody to give him a really big welcome when we open his curtain and introduce him to you. Ladies and gentlemen, it's time to bring you Santa Claus.
Ho, 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 ho. Hello, everyone. Merry Christmas. Oh, God, I can't make it. I'm glad I made it. I couldn't find this place. If I got here and I couldn't find the chimney.
That's okay.
What's this?
I've got a fix on Santa Claus on my scanner, and he's somewhere over Saskatchewan, headed this way at a hungry speed. More details later.
Looney Bird, shut that thing off. Look over there. He's here with us right now.
See, Santa, we've been trying to track you on Looney Bird's super scanner or something. You don't need one of those contraptions to locate my whereabouts. Why, all you need is your own 2 ears. You can hear me coming for miles. Jingle, 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 you will hear my sleigh bells ring. I am old Kris Kringle, I'm the king of jingling. Jingle, jingle, reindeer, through the frosty air they'll go. They are not just plain deer, they're the fastest deer I know. Ho, ho! You must believe that on Christmas Eve I won't pass you by. I'll dash away in my magic sleigh, flying through the sky. Jingle, 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 you will hear my sleigh bells ring. I am old Kris Kringle, I'm the king of jingling. Ho, 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 ho. Everybody sing along with Santa. Jingle, 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 you will hear my sleigh bells ring. I am old Kris Kringle, I'm the king of jingling. Jingle, jingle, reindeer, through the frosty air they'll go. They are not just plain deer, they're the fastest deer I know. Ho, ho! You must believe that on Christmas Eve I won't pass you by. I'll dash away in my magic sleigh, flying through the sky. Jingle, 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 you will hear my sleigh bells ring. I am old Kris Kringle, I'm the king of jingling. King of jingling. Ho, ho!
Gee, Santa, that was a real nice song.
Yeah, man, that was nice.
I liked it.
I didn't know you could sing.
Yes, thank you.
Hey, Santa, while I'm at it, I'd like to ask you a few questions that I've been wanting to ask you.
Yeah, me too.
Okay, I got a question.
First.
No, wait. Hold it. I've got a whole list of them here.
I got 2 on that.
Okay, I'm Billy Bob.
Who here?
Oh, come on.
No, everyone just hold on. I'll get to all of your questions. You know, one of the reasons I accepted your kind invitation was to answer all of your questions about Santa Claus. The elves have been very concerned that if I didn't answer these questions in person, why, people may stop believing in me. So, here I am, ready to answer your questions, the real Santa Claus. See there? I must be the real one. I sneezed and my whiskers didn't go flying off. Okay, fire away. Looney Bird, you first.
Okay, I got the first one. Shouldn't we have some us here?
Yes, that would be nice.
Yeah, that's much better. Now, how do you know, just how do you know if we've been bad or good?
Good question. Let's see. I send out squads of secret elf patrols. They're specially selected and trained, and I scatter them across the four corners of the earth. They watch you at home and at school and write everything down.
Everything?
Everything. And everything gets reported to me. The good, the bad, and the so-so. So for goodness sake, be good, children.
Hey, Santa, how do reindeer fly?
Well, my reindeer are a special breed of reindeer. They're smarter and stronger than any of the others, and can only be found in my secret magic valley way up at the top of the world.
Santa, I got one.
Okay.
Do you sleep with your bed in or outside the covers?
Good question, Duke. I prefer to sleep with it inside the covers in order to keep warm. But Mrs. Claus insists that I wear it out and flipped up over my head to muffle the snoring, she says.
Do you snore, Santa?
I do not snore. Why, once I stayed up all night to see if I did indeed snore, and just as I expected, I didn't. Next question.
Yes, Santa, what do you do during the summer?
Well, I like to relax and do a little fishing. I get out in the boat with a blanket, a good book, some lemonade and sandwiches, and sometimes I even take along a fishing pole.
Santa, do you have any kids?
Yes, all children are my children.
Who's gonna win the Super Bowl?
Looney,
The team with the most points.
what do you do with the sick bird?
Having tweeted. Thank you.
Hey, what's all that noise?
Oh dear, that was my signal from Rudolph. Sorry everyone, it looks like it's going to be time for Santa to get going here. That's my signal from Rudolph up on the roof. You've all been a wonderful audience. Thank you all for inviting Santa here.
No, wait.
This Christmas.
No,
Have a
wait.
Merry
Stop the music.
Christmas.
Stop the
Bye.
music. Santa, can't you just stay for one more show?
Well,
One more show, Santa.
Yeah, one more show.
Come on.
Good. I need to call the North Pole. I have serious business to attend to.
Well, you can call the North Pole between shows, you know? Like when we take a break, you can call them and then you can come back and do one more little show for it.
I don't know.
Well, what does everybody think? Was everybody
I
like
think
Santa
that's a
to
good
stay
idea,
for one
fellas.
more show?
Good idea.
Indeed.
You ain't going
Okay, then
nowhere,
it's
Lonnie.
settled. How about it, Santa?
Well, I don't think so, Billy Bob. I need to call the North Pole.
Okay,
I need
well,
to see.
How about maybe? Maybe can you stay?
I don't know.
Okay, well then it's settled.
Yeah,
Okay, everybody, we'll be back in just a minute after this break. Santa's gonna place a call to the North Pole to clear it so that he can stay for one more show, and we'll be back with Santa Claus. Okay, everybody? Hey, gee, thanks, Santa, and we'll see you in a minute.
Yeah. Sit tight, but you ain't going nowhere, partner.